talks. Money talks. Yeah. Money talks.
Oh yeah, Jacob.
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
Oh, look at this Spider-Man.
Haha, look at this little guy. So tiny. Why should I stop?
Daddy, help me!
What?
What you doing to my son? Hi.
I got you a new pet. Meet Mr. Woof Woof.
Hi, Mr. Woof Woof. What's up, please?
Go play with your new pet, Black Jacob.
You want a treat? Ow! Why are you doing that?
I'm jealous.
Yo, Animal Company needs to stop me, bro. They don't understand how much money I have. They don't understand the power I have. They don't understand the power. Feel the power.
I'm jealous.
Feel the power.
Stop using
Feel the power.
You're gonna max it out.
I don't care. Feel the power. Feel the power. Feel the power.
You're gonna get a beating.
Power to the maximum. What's Animal Company gonna do about it? Nothing. I'm power to the maximum. I'm too strong. With this money, they shall never take me
You
away.
want me to bring you to hell? Okay.
Even more. There's still more where that came from.
Sorry.
There's still more. I always come back.
I got like 274,000. What? Actually, wait, I'll finish coming here.
Oh, there's still more.
Sorry, wait. Oh, dang it.
No, my streak. He ended my streak. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
For a second there, I thought he ended my streak.
I'll get you
How
down.
about it, guys?
It might glitch out, but it sometimes glitches out. Well,
Ah!
I hope it's not.
It's gonna go kablooey! Guys? I think I might have maxed out everything.
I think he just broke. Oh, come on now. Oh, crap.
Kendrick? Kendrick? Did you hear that, Kendrick?
Yes. My apologies. I thought my time was up.
No, we can continue if you like.
Man,
Did you want anything on it?
Can I get some mustard?
With the next contestants of the roast battle, we have Bam Bam.
That's my boy!
And Mason! Yeah, go Mason!
Shut up, Mason.
You look like a monkey. Mason! Yeah, go Mason!
Come on, let's see your first roast. Come on, let's see your first roast. Come on.
Alright. How much hot Cheetos have you ate? Get off the stage! Boo!
Go, Bam Bam!
Your eyes are so far apart that look like they look stricter, bro. It's like my controllers, bro. Like you're so
Get out.
Why is your eyes popping out?
Just get off the stage right now.
What's this? Bro, you built like a one-by-one Lego piece. You even got that little. Oh my god.
On the count of three, we're gonna drop it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Cheese pull! Cheese pull! Yo, who else is in this room?
I don't know. I don't know them. I got railroad things in this.
I'm gonna drop it on the count of 3, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
Gamma gets scammed. Gamma gets scammed.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
I walked across an empty land. I knew.
There's an animatronic found in the back alley.
Yo, bro, cool egg, thanks. Get scammed, buddy.
Why?
Yo, wait,
Daycare? Alright, 1 day passed for my son, Mason.
Okay, I got you. Alright, your son's good to go. He can
Alright,
go
go.
play around with the other
Go.
children.
One eternity later.
Who's a mistake?
What happened at daycare?
He tried to bite my toe.
They try to bite your toes.
Yeah.
So you want me to go yell at the daycare people?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going back to the daycare. Come on, let's go. What happened to my son in the daycare?
All of you, shut it. What happened to this child? Child, come here. Where is he? Come here. What happened to him? What happened?
I don't know.
Okay, what happened to him? What happened? What
He's a
happened?
poopy head. He's a poopy head.
Do you know that thing about your daycare?
Yo, bro, look at my dog.
Well, that's cool. What's his name?
His name's Pennywise.
Yo, bro, come here. This is my dog. Look.
What's his name?
His name is Sparkles. He's right over there. He's right here.
Oh, hi, Sparkle.
If you hear a fart, run. If you see a dog doing the Macarena on its hind legs at 3 in the morning on your Ring doorbell camera, that is not a dog. If you see a tree in the forest, it is not a tree. Leave.
Come on, you old cock. We're going on an adventure. Come on, you old cock. We're going on an adventure.